I oppose Measure D because this is a land grab by private people to own land that should be held in common as a park, public land for everybody who lives in Marin County to enjoy. If Measure D passes, what will happen to that land is nothing. TPL owns it. They cannot be forced to operate a golf course, and they wouldn't. But what Measure D does is it stops it from being anything other than a golf course, which means it would be nothing. Nobody would get to enjoy the land. Not the golfers, not anybody who lived in Marin County. You can go to the website, San Geronimo For All, and there's a page on which you can sign up to endorse the no vote. You can wave signs, you can table, you can walk door to door, you can give us just an hour of your time to help us defeat this measure.